It's so pretty. Hey guys, Marina here. I just got a package in from Rio Grande and I wanted to open it with you guys. I was really patiently waiting to make this video. Wow, they really just like kind of bubble wrap packed everything in one thing. Ultrasonic cleaning basket. So excited for that. I have literally concocted my own holder made out of a clothing wire, which has been working, but not that great. I got some setting burrs. I didn't get like the full giant set, but I got what I think I need right now. So let me show you some of those. Setting burrs, yay! It's the little things, you guys. We got some Thermalock. That's exciting. It's smaller than I thought it was. I don't know why. I thought they were gonna be like longer. Whatever. This is also for my ultrasonic, something that kind of hangs on the side and cleans the jewelry. Good to have. And kind of out of focus. And this is really heavy. Hold on. We have a ball vise holder for my desk back here. For setting, go ahead and break it open. I'm also so excited because we're going to go see the new Downton Abbey movie tonight. Okay, let's go set it up. All right, let me give you the full experience. Hold on, I'm gonna bring over the microscope and I'm gonna put the ball vise on it so you can see what it looks like. Okay, hold on. Look at it! Ah! Got my ball vise here. It's an obligatory spin you have to do. And I've got my DZQ microscope. Personally, I like it. I can't afford a Leica right now, or Leica, whatever you say. This makes me happy. I am completely content. I will be for years. This setup is a dream for me. And I can rest my head here. No back hurting, no neck strain. This is amazing. This is a dream come true, you guys. You guys have no idea how long I've waited for this. Okay. So I already have a set of heart burrs right here that I love using. They're fantastic. But I realized that I also needed a set of setting burrs, which I got here. And now I feel like we're ready. We are ready. So just so you can see what it is, these are the ones I just got. And these are the heart burrs that I got, in case you guys are looking for that. There are nicer ones out there, I'm not gonna lie, but these are gonna be great for now, so I'm happy. Also took out it looks like a strainer, but my ultrasonic strainer and my ultrasonic basket. So exciting, not to just throw things in there anymore. Whee, this is so exciting. Okay, so I bought some patterned wire. I'm super excited to use this to probably make some like ring shanks and stuff like that out of it. But look how pretty that is. I love it. It's made of sterling silver. This is another pattern wire that I got from Rio Grande. Beautiful. So excited. Wow. See, I didn't really know how big some of this stuff was when I ordered it, but this is epic. I'm so excited. I don't know why, but look at this. This is so pretty. I could actually make like little bracelets with this. Wait. It's so pretty. Who wants a bracelet? So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. And And I got some gallery wire, which is great for setting cabochons. Look how pretty. Oh, don't look at my nails. Okay, this nail polish is from Chanel, but it does not last. I am definitely an Essie girl. Here you can see the gallery wire right there. I break it. Now, another fun thing, I needed some sterling silver casting grain, and leave it to me to buy it when sterling silver has literally doubled in price. I think it's like $42 an ounce right now, which is crazy, but what are you gonna do? You gotta get it. You wanna make stuff. So instead of buying like sheet, I obviously bought the decorative wire and stuff, but instead of buying like half round wire, sheet, I'm just gonna use this to make my own and melt down my scraps with clean casting grain. So wish me luck, because last time I tried to do sterling silver, it wasn't great. I definitely have learned more, regrettably, using gold, because I just prefer gold and I think it's easier to work with, but I need to master silver, so don't judge me. We're getting there. I'm so excited to use all of this awesome stuff. Yay! And I'll obviously make some reviews about everything that I use, so stand by. Stick with me, guys. It won't be long. I'll make a video making all kinds of pretty things with all my new stuff. Yippee! Wow. It's literally perfect. This is crazy. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. As you guys can see, I went ahead and moved my soldering stuff from over here. If you guys remember, my soldering stuff was right over here, and I decided to make this area mainly for stone setting and working on fine details. And I went ahead and moved my soldering stuff right over here. So where I melt things down, recycle metal basically, and where I do soldering is now going to take place right over here. You can see my annealing pan there. It does rotate too, it's great. I can't wait to use that more right here. Got all my soldering things here. I also have my arc welder here, love it. And I have the giant torch tip on here right now, but this is my little Smith torch and I love it. And yeah, that is where we are right now, you guys, and I am so excited to start crafting now. So I will talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you so much for just any interest you show in my little jewelry workshop and learning process. As always, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. There is so much to learn in the jewelry world. It has taken me a whole year just to figure out what some of these things are called. So don't be scared to ask. Don't be afraid. I wish I wasn't afraid of asking people, but I usually end up learning the hard way. So don't be like me. Go ahead and ask in the comments and I'll do my best to answer you, or somebody else will answer you with probably a better answer than I could. But as always, have a great day. Thank you for watching.